My bad. Like, yo, look how big this lump of hair is. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm still kind of like, yo, like this honestly, this might just be the thumbnail, because you know how you gotta get people's attention and stuff like that. This might as well just be the thumbnail. So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diamond Janae here on YouTube. If you guys like hair videos, makeup videos, hair updates, weekly vlogs, all that type of fun stuff, this is definitely the channel for you. So definitely consider subscribing down below and stay a while with your girl, you know, chill out, vibe out, you know. Your girl's always a vibe, if I don't say so myself. But yeah, so as you guys can see, today is the official Dashley 1 week update. And as you guys can see, you know, this hair has been through a lot of changes. You know, the last time you saw her, she was big, she was full, she was voluminous, she was curled, okay? And now she's kind of, you know, I had to do a couple things, okay? I had to do a couple things for this work for me to be able to actually work with it and wear it for the whole week. But yeah, but like I said before, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Definitely do not hesitate to write me in the comment sections as well, as if you guys have any additional questions. Okay, so just to give you guys a quick recap on the hair itself, this is the Sensationnel Dashley wig, and I got the wig in the color Money Piece Caramel, or MP Caramel, if you go on cmsbeauty.com and select it. And because this is considered one of like the more like specialty colors, there was an additional $4 charge for that. And altogether, with the flat rate shipping price of $5, the total I paid for everything was $40.26. Basically, it's been an interesting week. I will say that. I will say, starting off first and foremost, as far as the style itself goes, I will say Friday was the day that I actually sat down and did the original review. Saturday, I did have a lot going on, so I was able to actually be out and about with this hair and realistically kind of get a feel for how the hair feels as I'm going about and doing my day today. I will say as well, because I think I briefly mentioned this in my original review of this hair, I will say I do sleep in my wigs. I do know that some people say that is not a good idea. Well, I feel like everybody can agree on this. So I agree on this too, but I'm still not gonna do it. But it's better, especially if it's a synthetic wig, it's better if you actually don't sleep in it. Yeah, so definitely take that in consideration as well. When I do this week update, I did sleep in this hair. I actually did have to reinstall this hair again. I'm trying to think, I forget if it was Monday or Tuesday I took this hair out, but I did have to uninstall this hair because, guys, like the tangling slash matting was getting absolutely crazy. I feel like the curls themselves kind of like started like clumping up together. Like, I know you guys know what I'm trying to say by that, but like, you know, like when you get synthetic hair and it starts like clumping up, and it was one of those situations, mind you, I used a Denman brush on this hair, okay? I used a Denman brush on this hair. A Denman brush is supposed to be, well, this does get the job done because I use this on my natural hair, but I was struggling to comb through this hair after the third day. Like after Sunday, and when I woke up Monday morning, like, hey guys, Diamond popping in. I mean, who else would it be? I don't know why I just said that. This hair tangles, and yeah, and then as you guys can see, this is what the wig is currently looking like right now. As you guys can see, like literally guys, literally since Saturday, I've been feeling like my wig has been sliding back, and I kept thinking, I was like, well, maybe I'm bugging, maybe I'm bugging. I go ahead and do this, because mind you, I always do this when I install my wigs to make sure that I have a decent amount of forehead space, and I don't have to worry about my forehead looking like this and my wigs being too down. But like, my wig kept sliding back, and now today is like the absolute worst of it. As you guys can see, again, I use the ball cap method. This is another reason why I don't like using the ball cap method on my wigs, because I feel like I sweat out my wigs a lot more. I'm not doing anything different than I usually do at the gym. I'm gonna have to reinstall this hair, but basically I found a hack to stop your wigs from tangling and also for your wigs to last you a lot longer. So I ordered shears and all that stuff off Amazon yesterday, so thank God they're supposed to come in today. And it was one of those situations where like the hair was literally like, the more you would brush it, the more matted and tangled it got, basically. It was one of those situations. So Major thing with that, the tangling was a absolute hot mess. I happened to come across this channel called Zuzu's Life. Big shout out to you, sis, because she legit changed the game. So basically she had taught in her video, and of course I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below. Please finish this video before you go click on her video. I will say that though, because you know, help a sister out with her analytics and whatnot. But she had basically showed how she goes through all her synthetic wigs and how she basically gets them to last a lot longer and to not tangle up as much. And I will say, as y'all can see, I'm able to run my hair through this hair perfectly fine, and that's not just because this hair is straight, but basically I had went through just like how she did in the video. I went by section, brushed everything out, and then I basically went ahead and just cut the hair into different sections. Unfortunately, I don't remember recording myself doing that, because when I finally did try it, since this is my first time doing it, I kind of wanted to really just pay attention and just lock in and focus. But definitely the next wig that I do plan on installing, if the tangling is a hot mess, I'm definitely gonna go through and do the same trick again. But that trick basically saved this hair. I will say that this trick saved that hair, because if I did not find this video and I did not do this trick and this trick did not work for me, I would have literally only had the hair in for 4 days, because it was looking like, it was starting to look too wiggy for me, and I don't like that. Like, you know, when you're evolving, you're growing, and you look back at your past hairstyles, like, you're not gonna go back to that. You know what I mean? Like, it's all about improvement. So it's just like, for me, I'm just like, my hair looks like the hair I had when I was in high school, and that's not the vibes we was going for. Like, my hair was looking high-key crazy. Like, even on Saturday when I went to my brother's play, like, when I was editing my vlog, I was like, bro, like, I don't really care for how this hair is looking. It was starting to look too wiggy, too quick. Kind of just, you know, went through the hair, did the trick. I will say there was a lot of hair that ended up coming out with me doing that. Actually, no, it's still, I was about to say I put it in a bag, and then I forgot to bring the bag in my room, so I gotta go grab it. I'll be right back. But yeah, guys, this is the hair. This is how much hair that ended up getting cut out once I was done doing the trick. So I don't know why it was taking me so long to come up with that next word, but anyways, my bag, like, yo, look how big this lump of hair is. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm still kind of like, yo, like, honestly, this might just be the thumbnail, because you know how you gotta get people's attention and stuff like that. This might as well just be the thumbnail. So, but yeah, so yeah, so a lot of hair came out of this when I did do this method. Me personally, I feel like this method worked all the way around with this hair. I don't know if this is gonna apply to every synthetic wig that I get. Hopefully that will be the case, because like I said before, this trick definitely did save this hair. So definitely gives I don't know if that's what she technically wants to be called, or what her channel, what her like actual like real name is, but give Zuzu some love, because Zuzu definitely saved this wig, because I was very, very close to throwing this wig out after I got done doing the wig update. I was literally, if it wasn't for that, this hair would have been thrown out. And that's saying a lot, because mama don't be just throwing out hair just to throw hair. I be trying to give hair a chance and revamp it and do stuff, but this wig, no. Yes, I will say, as far as shedding goes, let me see, because I know what I'm about to say, but I just want to make sure that before I say it, I'm not gonna be like, oh guys, never mind. But yeah, as far as shedding goes, this hair, the shedding definitely did go down as well too. Like, after I did the scissor trick, the shedding on this hair definitely did go down. So I'm assuming it was because there's not a crazy amount of snags and the hair's not getting stuck and ripped out in a way. So maybe that's the reason why. But it's like, I'm not really getting any strands anymore. Like, I might get some strands here and there, but overall, I'm not really like, I got a strand there. But yeah, the shedding definitely did get a whole lot better after I did that trick as well. So I just feel like overall, like, if you have an old synthetic wig that you want to revamp and do all that stuff too, definitely invest in getting one of these scissors. But yeah, guys, like I said before, I will say, as far as the tangling goes, if you guys do not do this trick, do not buy this hair. Or if you guys do plan on buying this hair, number one, don't sleep in it. And number two, only expect this hair to be nice for a weekend. Like, if you're going like on a cute weekend trip, or you have a birthday weekend or something like that, 1010% I would recommend for you guys to get this hair, because baby, as soon as this hair was installed, especially once I finished my makeup and the whole look was pulled together, I was feeling myself. Y'all don't understand. I wanted to go out so bad, and I'm not that type of person, but I was like, yo, I look good. I look good. So I was hype. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was very hype. I was very much feeling myself. My initial review, my reaction was genuine. I genuinely did like the wig. But it's like, again, like once the weekend was over and once, you know, Monday came around, and realistically me going to, also I do go to the gym. That's another thing to take into consideration as well. I do go to the gym every morning. I decided to flat iron this hair as well, just because number one, again, the curls were looking type crazy. They were looking very, very, very much wiggy. And on top of that too, I was like, you know what, might as well be able to just jump on here and show you guys what the hair looks like straightened, to kind of give you guys a different look. But I absolutely do love the way this hair straightened. This hair definitely did straighten beautifully, absolutely beautifully. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for the update video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, my next wig review is going to be up very soon. This time around, your girl is going completely blonde, so I'm very, very excited about that. And on top of that, this wig is going to be from Amazon, so definitely look out for that on my channel coming very soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl down below. If you guys have any additional questions or anything like that, definitely do not hesitate to hit me up. You guys can also DM me on Instagram as well. Your girl's trying to be more active on there. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.